Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, especially for those navigating the complex world of cryptocurrencies. We're diving into the revolutionary Eesee platform, a one-stop solution for liquidity with a dash of fun and safety. I'm Shisa, and this is where we unlock liquidity with Eesee. In a space where innovation is the name of the game, Eesee stands out, offering sellers a comprehensive liquidity solution that's not only efficient but also entertaining. Imagine combining the power of liquidity with the thrill of a raffle system, all at an affordable cost. That's the Eesee promise, making your crypto journey exciting and secure. Join the Eesee Testnet Airdrop. But hold on, the excitement doesn't end there. Eesee is not just a platform, it's a community-driven space where participants are generously rewarded for their engagement. To kickstart your journey, Eesee is airdropping a massive $200,000 in Eesee tokens through their testnet. Here's how you can jump in on the action. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the Eesee testnet page. First things first, head over to the dedicated testnet page on the Eesee platform. The seamless design ensures a smooth onboarding experience for all users. Step 2. Connect your MetaMask wallet and switch to Goerli network. For desktop users, link your MetaMask wallet and switch to the Goerli network. If you're on mobile, the Kiwi browser is your ticket to the exciting world of Eesee. Step 3. Enter the invite code, Eesee N7PS. Exclusive access awaits. Use the provided invite code to ensure you're part of the Eesee community right from the start. Step 4. Complete your profile and claim Test USDC. Make it personal. Complete your Eesee profile and claim your share of Test USDC. This step sets the stage for the exciting challenges that follow. Step 5. Complete tasks and earn points. Engage with the platform by completing various tasks and challenges. Every task you conquer earns you points, bringing you closer to a significant Eesee token windfall. 6. Invite friends and earn more points. Community is key. Spread the word and invite your friends to join. For every friend who signs up, you will earn additional points. The more, the merrier, and the more Eesee tokens you stand to gain. Points to Eesee token conversion. But what's the deal with these points, you ask? Well, your hard-earned points during the Eesee testnet journey are not just numbers. They are your golden ticket to a valuable Eesee token stash. When Eesee launches, your points will be seamlessly converted into Eesee tokens, adding a tangible reward to your engagement with the platform. So, in conclusion, Eesee is more than just a liquidity solution. It's a community, an experience, and an opportunity. Join the testnet, tackle the challenges, invite your friends, and watch your points transform into Eesee tokens upon launch. This isn't just about navigating the crypto space, it's about doing it with style, fun, and the promise of a lucrative future. Don't miss out on this exciting journey with Eesee, where liquidity meets excitement. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.